Boxing, a high-intensity sport with incredible benefits. Boxing is a high-intensity sport involving a range of exercises. While it's known as one of the toughest and most dangerous sports, it offers numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body when you take up boxing. Stick around till the end, it's going to be interesting. Let's dive in. Boxing and its variations are now accessible to a broader audience. Gone are the days when training was solely for professional matches. Today, boxing workouts are an excellent way to build endurance and enhance cardiovascular and respiratory health. The risks of boxing. Despite its benefits, boxing does come with risks. Sparring can lead to injuries, especially when punches are directed to the head, potentially causing long-term nervous system damage. That's why sparring should always be supervised by an experienced coach. For those concerned about injuries or preserving their appearance, non-contact boxing focused on punching bags is a safer option. This allows you to enjoy the sport's physical benefits without the risks associated with sparring. Tailored boxing for fitness enthusiasts. If you're not aiming for a championship but want to improve your fitness, modern boxing gyms offer specialized programs. These sessions take place in well-equipped, comfortable environments, with trainers customizing workouts to help you achieve your goals. Boxing exercises are great for building muscle, agility, and strength, while minimizing injury risks. Health benefits of boxing. Boxing combines aerobic and anaerobic exercises, providing a comprehensive workout. Cardiovascular health. Aerobic exercises like jump rope and circuit training improve heart health, increase blood flow, and release endorphins. These benefits not only aid in weight loss, but also reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Strengthen joints. Boxing strengthens legs and arms, which supports joint health and reduces the risk of fractures as you age. Improved coordination. Boxing enhances quick reflexes and precision, requiring you to track punches and master complex movements. Full body workout. Boxing provides a balanced workout for your entire body: arms, legs, back, abs, and even glutes. With exercises like squats, jumps, and punches, you'll notice improved muscle tone and a leaner physique. The sport burns 400–700 calories per hour, depending on intensity, combining cardio and strength training for maximum effect. Boosted endurance and metabolism. As you train, your body adapts to handle more physical demands. Your heart and lungs become more efficient at pumping blood and oxygen to your muscles, allowing you to work out longer without fatigue. Intense boxing sessions also speed up your metabolism, helping with weight management and energy levels. Mental health benefits. Boxing isn't just about physical fitness, it's a powerful stress reliever. Throwing punches allows you to release pent-up anger and negative emotions. Physical activity stimulates serotonin production, boosting mood, improving sleep, and increasing self-esteem. Getting started. If you're new to boxing or exercise in general, start slow. Consult a trainer to create a comfortable workout plan tailored to your fitness level. Don't worry about jumping into the ring right away. Begin with bag work, jump rope, and basic movements to build your skills. Why choose boxing? If traditional gym workouts aren't delivering results, give boxing a try. It offers a dynamic, engaging way to tone your body, improve endurance, and relieve stress, all while having fun. Ready to start your boxing journey? Watch the full video to discover more tips and benefits. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen now. See you soon. Thanks for watching.